Millionaires don't travel the same way the world does. They don't chase destinations. They redefine the journey itself. And this Ferrari motorhome exists for exactly that reason. It isn't just a vehicle on wheels. It's a statement of motion, power, and Italian luxury fused into one unstoppable machine. From the outside, it carries the unmistakable Ferrari DNA, sculpted body lines, performance stance, and a presence that turns every arrival into an event. But what truly sets this motorhome apart is what happens once you step inside. Before we even talk about luxury, we need to talk about control. This motorhome rides on an advanced multi-axle suspension system designed to absorb road imperfections effortlessly. No matter the terrain, highways, mountain passes, or long cross-country stretches, the suspension isolates the cabin from vibration, keeping the interior calm, stable, and silent. The result is a driving experience that feels closer to a grand touring coupe than a traditional motorhome. This foundation allows the interior to feel refined, uninterrupted, and consistently comfortable at any speed. As you enter the interior, the lounge becomes the heart of the motorhome. Designed as a grand touring living space, it reflects Ferrari's philosophy of performance meeting comfort. The seating is low-slung and sculpted, inspired by Ferrari GT seats, wrapped in warm champagne-toned leather with subtle red stitching, a quiet nod to Ferrari heritage. The layout is compact yet open, with every surface carefully integrated to avoid wasted space. At the center sits a single floating table crafted in carbon fiber, softly illuminated from beneath by warm amber lighting. It's not just a table, it's a visual anchor, grounding the entire lounge in balance and elegance. The lighting throughout the lounge is entirely indirect, tracing the architectural lines of the walls and ceiling. Warm amber LED accents echo the exterior contours of the motorhome. Moving deeper into the motorhome, the bedroom reveals itself as an Italian performance retreat. This isn't a hotel room on wheels. It's a cocoon designed for rest after long journeys. The bed sits low and grounded, with realistic proportions and a proper mattress height, surrounded by padded leather wall panels that soften sound and enhance comfort. Bedding is layered in beige and gray tones, accented with subtle Ferrari red seams that add character without overpowering the space. The ceiling above the bed is gently curved, inspired by Ferrari rooflines, with recessed amber cove lighting that creates a warm, enveloping glow. Integrated bedside surfaces float effortlessly from the walls, keeping the floor clear and the room visually light. Storage surrounds the bed in a seamless wrap, eliminating empty walls and ensuring everything has its place. At night, a soft underbed illumination adds depth and calm without disrupting sleep. Adjacent to the bedroom, the kitchen brings Ferrari's precision into a compact culinary space. This is a performance-driven galley where efficiency meets elegance. Champagne-toned cabinetry runs flush along the wall, trimmed with carbon accents that subtly reinforce the brand's racing roots. A matte black countertop anchors the space, housing a 2-burner induction stove and a minimalist integrated sink. Everything is positioned for intuitive use. Under-cabinet amber lighting ensures visibility while maintaining warmth, and carefully chosen countertop items, an espresso machine, cups, and compact trays, give the kitchen a lived-in feel without clutter. A small dining ledge extends seamlessly from the cabinetry, paired with 2 sculpted stools inspired by Ferrari bucket seats. It's a place for morning espresso, late-night meals, and quiet conversations on the road. The bathroom is a private performance spa, fully enclosed and designed for complete privacy. A solid sliding door separates the space from the rest of the motorhome, instantly creating a sense of retreat. Inside, warm stone-toned walls contrast with matte black fixtures and bronze accents, giving the room a refined, spa-like atmosphere. The shower enclosure is frameless and glass, visually expanding the space while remaining compact. A floating vanity integrates storage discreetly, and a backlit mirror provides soft, flattering illumination. Every element is positioned with purpose, proving that luxury doesn't require excess space, only intelligent design. For those who work as they travel, the motorhome includes an executive office zone seamlessly integrated into the midsection. This isn't a closed cabin or a cramped desk. It's an open, focused workspace designed for clarity. A floating desk emerges from the wall, finished in black with subtle red stitching details. A compact leather executive seat offers support without dominating the space. Hidden drawers and document compartments keep everything organized, while warm task lighting ensures productivity without breaking the overall ambience of the interior. When it's time to unwind completely, the mini spa delivers a final layer of indulgence. This ultra-compact wellness pod features a soaking tub integrated directly into the floor, surrounded by smooth stone-textured panels. Solid sliding partitions provide privacy, while soft amber lighting transforms the space into a quiet retreat. It's a place designed not just for relaxation, but for recovery after long drives, long days, or simply the demands of an extraordinary lifestyle. At the front of the motorhome, the cockpit brings Ferrari's performance DNA into full focus. The driver's environment is clean, modern, and intentionally minimal. Controls are positioned for intuitive reach, while ambient lighting highlights key surfaces without distraction. Panoramic front glass offers commanding visibility, making every drive feel purposeful and controlled. This cockpit isn't about excess screens or gimmicks. It's about confidence, clarity, and connection to the road. And now, the question of ownership. This Ferrari motorhome is not built for everyone. It's built for those who understand that luxury isn't about showing off. It's about choosing the best without compromise. Pricing reflects that philosophy. This is a motorhome reserved for millionaires and billionaires who value craftsmanship, exclusivity, and freedom at the highest level. So here's the question. If you were handed the keys today, where would you take it first? Across coastal highways? Through mountain passes? Or parked beneath a city skyline, quietly redefining what travel can be? If you enjoyed this journey inside one of the most extraordinary motorhomes ever imagined, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more unreal luxury machines brought to life. Because for those who move differently, the road is never just a road, it's the destination.